Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I took a break today for some Friday night baseball. Behind me is Excite Ballpark, and tonight the Fresno Grizzlies are in town against the Giants for the Giants' third to final homestand of the year, and we're finally starting to use all the tickets that I've amassed through this summer, like the flex tickets. So yeah. The 58-47 San Jose Giants, who clinched playoffs in the first half of the season, are taking on the 64-41 Fresno Grizzlies. The Giants have got a hot start off the first half of the season. They don't really need to do anything else for the rest of the way because they have already clinched playoffs. So they have an 18-21 record so far in the second half of the season, whereas the Fresno Grizzlies are 6 games ahead of the next best team, the Modesto Nuts. So we'll most likely see both of these teams back here at Excite Ballpark for the North Division playoffs. As for today, on the mound for the San Jose Giants is Manuel Mercedes, and on the mound tonight for the Rockies High A affiliate or Low A affiliate is Caleb Franzen. So let's get into the ballpark for some Friday Night Lights, and it's Pride Night tonight, so let's go. We are in the ballpark for the first time since September 10th, 2022. We are at a San Jose Giants game. We're gonna be here for the rest of this homestand, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, there's gonna be a bobblehead giveaway, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I don't know what to do right now. I'm just walking around. Fresno players warming up. Our seats are there. I don't really want to sit there though. North Division standings. And hey, hopefully we could see Lake Elsinore make a 7-game comeback and represent our Padres, 2022 champions. But here are the lineups for tonight. What's good? San Jose's friendliest usher, Bryant. You got a score prediction for us?
I don't know. We got good teams going up, so hopefully San Jose wins. Final score 8-5.
8-5. I got San Jose, but I got it a lot more runs scored. I want to go 13-11.
Oh, okay.
A lot of runs. They ain't taking the field yet.
Number 5, Tanner Rochamba. At second base, number 41, Dylan Rosario.
All right.
At shortstop, number 1, Diego Velasquez. At third base, number 17, Anthony Rodriguez. In left field, number 7, Alexander Suarez. In center field.
If we go back just 3 years, we would not be playing the Fresno Grizzlies in this game. The San Jose Giants would actually be playing the Lancaster Jethawks, which is a team I miss. I think that Fresno should still have a AAA team, but Lancaster was done in 2019, ceased as a franchise, and Visalia used to be a part of the North Division. They are now a part of the South Division, so yeah. If any of you guys are returning viewers since last year, you'll know that my number one gripe with going to these games and sitting in the visiting fan section, as there's a line foul, is up there's a lot of sun and it would get in the way of my camera. But this year we're on the San Jose Giants side and there's none of that. But for the final series, it's against Stockton, so I might be sitting in the away section. So for the Fresno side of the first, no runs across, 1 hit, 1 Giants error. Let's go to the bottom. Fastball almost took off, did not. To bat now, Diego Velasquez. He is the San Francisco Giants' 20th most valued prospect. You're not going to get a lot of valued prospects here in San Jose, but he's made it to top 20 without getting called up yet. All right, thank you. So, this is how the game's going. I'm waiting for my carne asada tacos. So Julio Rodriguez just got robbed of a home run. All right. Tacos. They're really good. They're really good. Anthony Rodriguez. Last one. Out to left field. And the Giants take the lead in the second inning. Everywhere you look is the check flag. I'm gonna eat some ice cream. We moved up here because there were people in those seats. I have seats down there, I just don't want to be squished. So that's why I'm up here. We're already in the third inning where Fresno now has a 3-2 lead. The beer batter's at bat. Swings, now it's strike two. The worst way to end the inning if you're over the age of 21. We go to the bottom of the third where the Giants have some work to do.
Way over there.
Anyways, through three, the score is 3-4. San Jose is on top. 4 hits for Fresno, 5 hits for San Jose, 1 error for Fresno, 2 for San Jose. Pay our respects to the Reno Padres, the best team in town. Dropped a bomb on me, baby. You dropped a bomb on me. PJ Wilson, a 2-run knock, and the Giants have reclaimed the lead in this high-scoring affair. It is now 5-6.
Celeste calls me Kristen and her niece Kirsten. I'm like, Kristen is way cooler than I have ever been. She's actually been like a touring rock star person, and I'm also
So Fresno clears the side, but not before giving up 2 runs.
2 runs on 2 hits.
Since I did not give birth to anyone, I did not feel like I
This dude will not strike out. But it got the crowd pumped. The 2024 American Hockey League All-Star Game will be held right there on February 5th, 2024. That's a long time away. As there's a pickle. And he got him. Velasquez with a blooper, and it'll get all the way into center field. The shortstop has a single.
Flag is up, they're off.
Black already is dead.
3 horses together. Here comes the black horse with a bull rush. And as they come to the wire.
Let's look at the instant replay.
It is the white horse.
White horse. Nice. A mound visit because the tying run is on first base. For the Giants, if they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the hole. Let's go, Giants! There's also fireworks after the game, which we're gonna see. Crazy how I haven't been to one game this season until now. Struck him out. Waving poor boy. I don't know who that was, but whoever he was, he just hit a triple down the line. 6-11 is still the score. 2-2. Struck him out. Na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. Na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. Look at those tennis balls go. I want to see who can get it into the bobblehead hoop. Somebody got it and then it popped out. Oh, that is so sad. So this is the final score from San Jose, 7-11. 9 hits for the Fresno Grizzlies to San Jose's impressive 16. 1 error for the Fresno Grizzlies and 2 for the San Jose Giants. You might be asking yourself, why am I standing here? Well, I wanted a better view of the fireworks. So let's see them. What a fireworks show. Anyway,
a lot of fun out here.
my MILB record for the season improves to 1-0. My overall baseball record for the season is now 1-21. That's my first win on the season. If y'all like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye. Was that impressive?
Yeah, that was. Really was.
Yeah. All right, see you tomorrow. Some people tell me that San Jose doesn't need a minor league team. This proves them wrong. Look at that crowd.